Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to the channel, this is for you. If you're traveling to Shillong and looking for a place to stay, then I would recommend you a place just nearby Garikana. If you're looking for a place to stay somewhere here in Garikana, I'll take you to a guest house just beside Garikana. This will be a very spacious place for you and your family, and I'll just show you how you can get there, and this will help you, or maybe share even this video to any of your friends and families if you are coming to Shillong and looking for a spacious place to stay. So we are here in Shillong. This is Garikana. Oi, come on. Yeah, ta. If you're coming from Guwahati, so you just take right coming from Guwahati, and this is the way, and it should lead you to Mauprem. Sana. Turun video. Ya, nakasal sih.
Ngawan nakapos duty dengan
Biar na untuk. Pikir dia ni.
blanket.
Tabak kementapur hiburan saya blanket biang mah. So if you're coming through that route that comes from Guwahati and that goes to the other parts of Shillong, so you just come right through this place and I'll show you the way, okay? And this is where you can come to, and I'll just lead you straight to the guest house. Ali, Bob, I'm joined here by Bob and Mama Demangs. If you need a little tip about where to go and where to visit when you are in Shillong, please leave a comment below. I may help you with that too. Ay, brah! Jangan! Ada. Kaya biang setay. Lilorni biang semangi. Wah. So here is the place. So it'll be on the top floor. The name is Council Lodge, and you just have to get through the entrance from here. This is the main entrance, and you can go up there and then go to the top floor, and you'll have a nice place. Wait, I'll show you around. Take the lift and go to the top floor, and high top floor you'll have number 4. A lot of you are looking for for a place where you can come and then take your family here. I mean bring your family here, but it's so difficult to find a good space here in Shillong. But this particular guest house that I'm showing you now is actually, it'll be very convenient for you, for your family, and you'll have space for your kids to roam around, to run around. Okay, and GT11 for ball. Alright, so at the top floor of this place, you'll have the guest house here, and you'll find the plants, the beautiful looking plants. And here we are, the lodge. Okay, let me just close it and open it up, and it should look dramatic. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, so nice. Look at that. So you'll have the reception here. So it's not yet open. Everything you see here, it's fresh, it's new. I'm not sure how many people have sat here, but I think this should be we should be the first ones sitting on this beautiful looking and a fresh and a newly bought sofa couch. And you have a huge passage like this, and mind you, we don't have many rooms. There are just 4 rooms, so if you book them, there will be different rates for different rooms for all 4 rooms. So this is one. This is the kind of a living room. This is the bedroom, of course, and you also have a TV, you have a computer there, and you also have a fridge if you need to store in anything, and you have a couple of chairs here, and something here, something there, and everything everywhere. Okay, I see this as a very convenient place to stay with your family, friends, of course, but family is what I would recommend. And you'll have a living room kind of a thing here. So if you're staying somewhere between 3 to 4 days to about 2 weeks or so, this will be a very nice place to stay. So you have all the pankhana, all the water, and the Dettol, so everything is here. This is 6,000 per night. It looks like this. So you'll have all these things here. And oh, so nice. Oh, I like that. Okay, it's giving you a warm, cozy feeling. This is in Shillong. And I must say this is a very convenient place because it's in the heart of Shillong and it's near to the market. It's near to PB and all that. So everything else from here is at a walk distance all over Shillong. This room right here, this will cost you 7,000 rupees. So the moment you enter, you'll have again more like a living room here, which with a nice sofa set. You'll have a bathroom, again a spacious bathroom there, and a spacious bedroom here. You have a king size bed here. I mean, it will fit your family members also. You have a good looking sofa there, you can relax. You have a fridge, you have a TV, and everything else that you need. It's nice. It's nice. I mean, for 7,000 though, this is pretty nice only. But you have a lot of a natural light coming in because this is at the top floor and you don't have anything else above you, so it's very convenient, very spacious that way. This one is occupied. This is the 5,000 wala where you can, I'll just keep a few shots of the interior though, where you can see how that 5,000 wala room look like. And here is the 8,000 wala, and I think this is the most expensive room of all. And yep, kani kadi ka kamera ka ba rem tam na borokhat ni kiwi share si kiperlok jopi ba kwa ban wan sa kiperlok jopi ba wan kai le sin shabar kla ban share kani kadi po gari kana mo. And this is, I mean, I just like the ambience, I just like the color. And also you have the again toilet here, chalo, a big toilet here, living room here with a balcony there. So this is the most expensive of them all. This is 8,000 per night. You'll have all the sofa, you can sit around and relax. And maybe have you just reached Shillong, you can just sit here, relax with your family, maybe, and then maybe in the evening you take a walk, or maybe tired with the shopping and the sightseeing in Shillong and the areas around Shillong. Come back and then you sit here, relax here, just like Bob there. He's arranging all the helmets because we got tired of biking throughout the day. Anyway, so guys, so this is something that I would recommend if you're coming for the first time in Shillong, or even if you have traveled many times to Shillong also. This would be a very recommended place that you can come. We are doing a little shoot and a promotion for this also on Instagram, so we're posting this on Instagram also. You can share that short video. I'll be putting this up on YouTube as well, on YouTube Shorts as well. You can also follow me on Instagram. You will see the video that we're doing today. This will also go on Instagram, where you can just share like a short video clip that you can share. But if you need, or your friends or your family need to see like a detail wala thing about, a detailed walk around of the entire lodge, how it looks and all that, this is how it looks. So you don't have any customer yet, we don't have any clients yet right now, but if you come here for the first time, you'll be the first to stay here because this is fresh. All the sheets are fresh, all the sofas and the couch and chairs are fresh, and nobody has been here. So there's still few works going on room number 2, and this is what it looks like. So I'll just leave the numbers, contact numbers here, so you won't find this anywhere else as of now. You won't find this on your on any of these website or booking website as yet, but I'll just leave the number here where you can have where you can just directly call the managers and the people here. They can help you with the direction, they can help you with the bookings and all that, so you don't have to go through anyone, but just call on the number that I'll be leaving here below. Okay, so this is the final look of the thing. And the restaurant, we yet to have the restaurant will yet be open, but everything else that you need for your stay here, that will be provided. And if there's any details that you would like to know, please contact on the number below, because this will give you like a most memorable stay here in Shillong. Just look at the space, man. You can your mom, your dad can also come here, and it's very convenient. We also have a parking space, a good parking space down below, and that can just take your car, can just take you here, and you have no problem. Our staff will take care of you, so we have quite a few number of staffs here. And the best part is we don't have so many rooms, and it's quiet, peaceful, and everything is being taken care of. Okay, bye. Dabang Kladat, shoot. Oh, guns rudan ya. Guns also are there with the bullets. That's nice, man. Oh, ibang la day. Very plastic am dito. Kini di basong ni boleh mo ni gini. I like the chair. Okay, so if you're here, if you're in Shillong, just call on the number that I'm leaving below. The staff from here will help you with the booking, will help you with all the arrangements from this lodge, and share this video. If you need any other tips regarding the visit, I'm a local guy. I kind of know things. There are things that I know that maybe things that I can tell you from the local perspective. What to do, maybe how to go sightseeing as a local. But please leave me a comment down below what would you like to see next. Until next time, this is Code Freeman, ladies and gentlemen, signing off from Shillong. Thank you and have a wonderful stay. Bye bye. Chalo.